Hi, welcome to Kala's Math World. Today, let's see how to find the solution of a quadratic equation by quadratic formula. Suppose that ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is the quadratic formula where a is not equal to 0. Then d is equal to b square minus 4ac is called as discriminant. If d is greater than or equal to 0, then roots of this ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 can be found out by x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here a is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x and c is the constant. If d is greater than 0 and d is equal to 0, that is the square root part, this part, if it is greater than 0 and equal to 0, we will get real roots. So if d is greater than 0, we will have two roots, and if d is equal to 0, we will have equal roots. But if the square root over b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then we will have imaginary roots. Now, let's see some examples to learn this quadratic formula. Let's see the sum x square plus 11x plus 18. So, this is a quadratic formula since the degree of this polynomial is 2. And here, this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So, we can equate this into 0 to solve the value of x, to get the value of x. So, when we are comparing x square plus 11x plus 18 equal to 0 and ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we can conclude that here a is equal to 1 because a is the coefficient of x square. Here the coefficient of x square is 1, so a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 11 and c is equal to 18. Now our discriminant is equal to d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So here we know that b is 11. So 11 square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is 18. So 11 square is 121 minus 4 into 18, that is 72. So we have 121 minus 72 which is equal to 49. So this d is greater than 0 because 49 is greater than 0. So we have real and distinct root. So if d is greater than 0, we will have real and distinct root. And what is our root? The root formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So that means we can take the value x is equal to minus b. So here b is 11. So minus 11 plus or minus root over 49 because b square minus 4ac is 49 divided by 2a. So our values will be minus 11 plus root 49 is 7 divided by 2 into 1 and minus 11 minus 7 divided by 2 into 1. So that is equal to 4 by 2. So this is equal to 2 and here we have minus 11 minus 7 divided by 2 which is equal to minus 2 and minus 11 minus 7 divided by 2, that is minus 18 by 2 which is equal to minus 9. So we got the answers as x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to minus 9. That implies x plus 2 and x plus 9 are the factors. Okay, So if you are writing in the factors form, we will have x plus 2 and x plus 9 are the factors, and the solution for this equation x square plus 11x plus 18 equal to 0 is x is equal to minus 2 or x is equal to minus 9. Let's see another example. Here the sum is 12x square plus 5x minus 3. So our quadratic formula is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So comparing this quadratic equation and our formula, general formula, we have a is equal to 12, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to minus 3. So here it is in minus negative number. 3 is a negative number. So we will take c constant as negative itself. Now our quadratic formula is b is equal to b square minus 4ac. So first we will find out the discriminant. So here b square is 5, b 5 square. b is 5, so b square is equal to 5 square minus 4 into a is 12 and c is minus 3. So we will get the answer as 5 square is 25 and minus, so this minus 4 into minus 3 will become plus. So minus 4 into minus 3 is 12 plus 12 into 12, that is 144. So we will get the answer as square 169. Right. So D is 169. So which is greater than 0. So we have, since D is greater than 0, we will have real and distinct root. So we will have two roots, distinct roots. So we have the solution as x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this is the roots. Here we will substitute the values. So we will have x is equal to b is, so x is equal to minus b. So here b is 5. So minus 5 plus or minus square root of 169, because b square minus 4ac is 169. So we will have square root of 169 divided by 2 into a. So here a is 12. So our answers will be x is equal to minus 5 plus 13 divided by 24, or x is equal to minus 5 minus 13 divided by 24. Right. So this will become, so we have minus 5 plus 13 is 8 divided by 24, or minus 5 minus 13 is minus 18 divided by 24. So we will have x is equal to, so we can cancel this, we will have x is equal to 1 by 3, or x is equal to minus 3 by 4. By cancelling this we will get 3 and here 4. Okay. So our roots are x is equal to 1 by 3 or x is equal to minus 3 by 4. Okay. Let's see another sum. Let's see the sum x square plus 4x plus 4. Here a is equal to 1, that is coefficient of x square is a, that is a is equal to 1, and b is equal to 4 and c is equal to 4. So our quadratic formula is b square minus 4ac. Discriminant is d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So which is equal to 4 square minus 4 into 1 into 4. So we have 4 square minus 4 square, because 4 into 4 is 4 square, right? So it will get cancelled and you will get the answer as 0. So we got d is equal to 0. So what this implies? This implies the roots are equal. So we have equal roots. So what is the root according to the equation? So x is equal to minus b by a into plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac. So our formula is minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now this part fully goes to 0, right? So we have x is equal to minus b by 2a. This is the only root left out. So we have x is equal to minus b. b is minus, b is 4. So minus 4 divided by 2 into a is 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. We have x is equal to minus 2. So we have x is equal to minus 2. This is both the root is x is equal to minus 2. So we have equal roots if d is equal to 0. So we learned that d is greater than 0 means we will have real and distinct roots, and if d is equal to 0, equal roots. So if d is greater than 0, we have real and distinct roots, and if d is equal to 0, we have equal roots. Let's see the question. 7y square minus 4y plus 5 is equal to 0. So here we have a is equal to 7, that is the coefficient of y square. So here the variable is y. So we will take a as the coefficient of y square. Now b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 5. Now our discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac. So which is equal to b square is minus 4 the whole square minus 4 into a is 7 and 5 is c is 5. 4ac. Now square of a negative number is always positive, because we know that minus negative multiplied by negative, you will get answer as positive. That is, the product will be positive. So here minus 4 the whole square is positive. So we have 16 and minus 4 into 7 into 5. 4 5s are 20. 20 into 7 is 140. So 16 minus 140. So we will get the negative number as the answer. Here the answer is minus 124, which is less than 0. How we got minus 124? Because one number is positive and another number is negative. So we will subtract from smaller number from the larger number and we will put the larger number symbol. So here larger number symbol is negative. So our difference is also going to become negative. So since d is less than 0, so this d is coming in the formula in the square root, right? So our formula x is equal to b square, minus b, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is our formula. So here the square root b square minus 4ac is negative. So we cannot find a real square root of a negative number. So our roots are imaginary here. So we can only imagine the roots. So roots are imaginary. So this is the three cases when we can say based on d. If d is less than 0, our roots will be imaginary. If d is equal to 0, we will have equal roots, and if d is greater than 0, we will have distinct and real roots. Okay, hope everybody understood this concept. If you have any doubt, please comment me in the comment box. If you like my videos, please like the video and subscribe. Thank you.